my brand new oxygen concentrator. I got it from eBay today. You see that? I got that from eBay all today, and new battery, because the remote control don't come with a battery. I got it plugged in over here, turned on. See? Nothing. It don't even light up. So this is the box it came in, right there. And I got it from eBay today. It came in from UPS, and from this seller right there. You see it? You know, eBay. So I just want to let people know, if you see one of these concentrators like that, don't buy it. It's junk. You know, there's the power thing for it right here. The power cord, off and on switch. It does have a fuse underneath of it down here, and I tried changing out the fuse. No good. Good. Off and on switch right by the power cord over there. And if you can see right here, oxygen, and right there was where you could put your nebulizer stuff. You know, and use it as a nebulizer. Because it's supposed to be 1 liter to 7 liters, and that was not enough air to do a nebulizer. So it would have been a pretty good thing. But, you know, apparently it's junk. Because it won't even turn on. You know? And if you look at it, and you know what the weird thing about it is? In that book here, there is no customer service phone number. They want you to find somebody who actually works on them, so that way there you can take them up there, and they will tell you in the first year they will pay for it. But hell, why can't I go do all the leg work and all for one of the junky ass machines? You know? So yeah, if I paid that, what, $211 for it? Yeah, and that was the cheapest one I could find. The guy wanted it off of eBay. I can't really blame the seller, you know, because it was sealed up in a box. And he did send me a thing about going to give me a shipping label, so that way there, I start a refund on it. Because I scratched up all the money I could just to buy an oxygen concentrator, because I got COPD, medical problem, bad lungs, and I need one. And my insurance ain't gonna kick in until September, and this is July, so I still got some time to go. You know, so I got some time. Have to suffer out even longer now, because of that company right there want to sell junk machines. No customer service at all. No hope. So if you see that company logo there, run away from it. Do not buy it. I can't stress that as much. And if you're looking at oxygen concentrators, do not buy one of these. Do not. It's junk. I mean, it looks nice, and it would have been nice, 1 liter to 7 liters. That would have been good, nice to have, and only use about 150 watts of power. So that would have been easy on the light bill. I knew I should have stuck with that little green machine. mean looking thing. But no, I tried this one. I had good reviews on them. But I'm sorry I done it now. But I thought I'd make a video of it and let you know. Do not buy from that company there. It's junk. Really junk.